All right, so now we're going to dive into low chill stone fruit category. There's 3 that we really love in that space. The desert gold peach, probably the easiest growing peach tree you can grow in Arizona. And even with our low chill hours we've had this winter, I still anticipate a good production off of my desert gold peach.
Now, most of our listeners, especially the regular ones, they know what a chill hour is. But if somebody's new or new to the valley, what's a chill hour?
So a chill hour would be temperatures below, it's like how many hours we got below 45. So an hour below 45 would be 1 chill hour. And so we're looking at how those stack up. Desert gold peach only needs 250 hours below 45 degrees in order to produce fruit.
Or like a Macintosh red apple.
You need like 1,000,
which you're not going to get.
And I mean, there are some varieties. Most apples, we've debunked the need for chill hours. So most apples will still produce. The real question is, when's it going to ripen? Is it going to ripen at a time that it's not going to cook on your tree or just drop off because of rot? And so but for the stone fruits, like the peach category, the peach family, I mean, there's a Florida home. That's another one's a good peach there too. But the desert gold, by far the top producer for peaches here in Arizona. Now, in that same category of stone fruit, another great producer for us has been the Santa Rosa plum. It's got a pretty good longevity for one of the plum family. Popular one, good heat tolerance. It's a very upright growing tree. And that's one, if you've been following me for a while, you'll see that we've actually intentionally weeped that one in order to get a lot more fruit. And then the last one on the stone fruit is apricot. The Katy has been our best producer. Very large growing tree. Katy apricot, number 10.